Hi, I'm Brian Smith with Vantas Commercial Real Estate. Today I want to talk about the differences between residential and commercial property when you're purchasing and getting a loan. The first difference is the average value of an entry-level property. A residential property, many times you're buying in that $100,000 to $150,000 range at an entry level. The commercial property, it's hard to find a property under $350,000 to be able to enter into a commercial ownership situation. The down payment that's going to be required by the lender is also going to be different between a residential and a commercial property. At the most, a lender is going to require a 20% down payment on a residential property, and it can be as low as zero. On a commercial property, the more you put down, the more comfortable a lender is going to be. 35% makes a lender very comfortable, and the lowest that you can usually get a down payment to is 10% on a commercial property, and that would be utilizing an SBA type of loan where there are some special guidelines and requirements involved. The length of the loan term also comes into play, or is a difference between commercial and residential. It's very common to have a 30-year mortgage on a residential home. You know, you can have as short as 10 or 15-year mortgage as well, but most folks go 30 years. On the commercial side of things, 30 is almost impossible. Most of the term lengths on the commercial side are 15 to 20 years. And occasionally you can go out as far as 25, but normally 20 is one of the longer terms that a commercial lender would be interested or willing to stretch the amortization. Interest rate lock length is also different. On a residential home purchase, you're able to lock your interest rate in for the full 30 years of the term, whereas on a commercial loan, you usually can only lock your interest rate for 5 years, maybe 7 years. Now, interest rates recently have come down so much, and the 10-year interest rate that you would have to pay on a commercial property is inching closer and closer to what a 5-year rate lock would be. And so banks are more willing to give you a possible 10-year rate lock, but there again, going back to the down payment, they're much more comfortable locking in your rate for a longer term if you come to the table with a larger down payment. And then ease of loan approval. I'm sure that for a lot of folks, they don't feel like the mortgage approval process is easy, but by comparison to a commercial property, it's relatively easy to get a home loan. Especially if you're running a business out of the property that you're purchasing, you need to have a track record on your business. You need to be able to show that your business has been profitable and is growing and needs the amount of space that you're looking at purchasing. And if you're an investor, you need to be able to show that you have a global cash flow that supports the loan that you're looking to get. And the property itself will also support the payments. So I hope you found some value in the information that I just shared. Again, my name is Brian Smith with Vantas Commercial Real Estate.